Okay, so yesterday when we were drawing this triangle, or sorry, the circle with our compass, which is still right here, how did we do that?
We started at this point and then set the compass length to this and then sort of drew around the circle.
Okay, good. And how did we find this point?
Using the perpendicular bisectors at the sides.
Okay, so if I know the coordinates, what would I do then to find those perpendicular bisectors?
Well, you can find the midpoints of the sides.
Okay.
So, find the midpoints of the sides, and then I guess you know this length here would be constant between the three of the triangles.
Well, keep going on what did we do after I found the midpoints of the sides? Sorry.
Drew in the perpendicular bisectors.
Okay.
And I guess because you know they're perpendicular and you have a point here,
Mhm.
you can find this point. We can have equations for those
Yep.
perpendicular bisectors.
Yeah.
We get two equations, and then we can calculate where those lines meet, and that'll be this point here.
Yep, absolutely right. And then we can actually then just find the distance to any one of the points using the distance formula, and that would give us the radius.
Yeah.
Now there's a different formula for the area of a triangle called Heron's formula that just uses the side lengths.
All right.
So if we define S, which is the semi-perimeter, is A plus B plus C all over 2.
Okay.
So half the perimeter of the triangle.
Yep.
The area of a triangle is the square root of S times S minus A, S minus B, times S minus C. So S minus C on camera?
Yep. It says.
So this is called Heron's formula. Have you ever seen this before?
Yes. No, I think I remember it.
Okay. So it's a really amazing formula that was known to the Greek geometers 2,000 years ago, maybe even prior to that. That tells us what the area of a triangle is just given its side lengths. So now, once I've found the side lengths, I can then use Heron's formula to find the area, and I do A times B times C over 4 times area, and I have the radius of the circle. And then, what do I do next to find the area of? Now that I have the radius of the circle, what's the area of the circle?
You just square the radius and multiply it by pi.
Okay. Cool. So now we're going to do some simulations. Well, actually, first off camera, we're going to write the program,
Okay.
and then we're going to do some simulations. All right.
All right.